Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set comment permissions in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Pinterest app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our feed, where we can scroll and find ideas. But from here we have to go into the saved menu. And in the saved menu, in the top right corner, we have to tap on this little cog. After that, we tap on settings. And in the settings menu, we find social permissions. Here, if we scroll down a bit, we find the comments section. 3 little entries and 3 toggle buttons. We can allow comments on our pins, we can filter comments on our pins, and we can filter comments on others' pins. And if we turn these functions on, we can add the words or phrases that we want to be not present in the comment section. And after that, we can save it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.